All right. Hey guys, I hope you're doing good. My name's Roshan, and in this video, I've brought to you guys how to make an irresistible offer and generate extra 200k in monthly rev. And honestly, you could make more than that. Obviously, 200k is like a number that I just said for this video. Sounds more appealing. You can generate extra 200k and above revenue in every single month by implementing an irresistible offer, right? So that's what I'm going to cover in this video. Pay close attention and hear every single thing I say. I don't want to waste any of your time. Let me just get straight into it. So firstly, there is this concept of creating offers which will determine the success or failure of your business, any business, right? The business success or failure is determined by creating an irresistible offer. Have a great offer and you will grow 10x faster. Have a bad offer and you'll grow at just 1x speed, or not even less than 1x, I'd say. So what is an offer? Let me tell you what it's not, right? An offer is not a product. For example, if you run a fitness clothing company and sell a jogger for, let's say, $50, that's more expensive than the average price in the market, which is, let's say, $25, right? But you don't just sell a jogger. You give your customers simple workout sheet that they can do with their joggers, a little nice little wristband which will cost you like just $1, a nice little product, something related to joggers that will cost you another maybe $3, right? So what you do is, and you bulk those things together, and you have a great offer compared to the jogger offered by another brand at a cheaper price. Just imagine this scenario: your competitor offers the same jogger for whatever price at a cheaper price, let's say, and you offer the same thing and you bundle two three things together, make it like an irresistible offer and make it more expensive, and ultimately you have created a you have basically eliminated yourself from the competition, because you are now completely separate thin, and there are all your competitors are competing against each other, right? So that's how you make an irresistible offer. Like, that's one example of an irresistible offer. An offer is not, we have been in business for 30 years, right? We are family owned. Like, that's not a great offer. Nobody cares if you are 30 years old or if you're family owned. What they want is the product, and basically a great offer. An offer doesn't just have to be discounting prices as well. It could also be bundling things together, right? Your customers should want to buy from you. They must go from nice to have to must have. That's when you know that you have a great offer. As now you've understood the importance of a great offer, you also need to understand your customers to your offer and the end, because you also need to understand, right? Your customers get to the offer in the end. What comes first is the hook and the story. When you're talking about your product, when you're doing your marketing, when you're doing your paid ads, the hook and the story comes first and then the offer, right? You cannot sell people on your offer and then, like, get them to buy from you. They're just not going to convert. Hook and story is what really gets people in, gets their attention, and then the offer does the job. How are you attracting your customers? Despite having a great offer, your customers need a strong reason as to why they should buy from you. This is where a strong hook and story is so important. And by having this in place, you create lifetime customers for your brand. In your hook, you must relate to your customers' problems and pains, and get their attention. Then you must present your product as your solution with a story, a compelling story that will, you know, that they will want to buy from you. Then a great offer makes sure that you're guaranteeing yourself the sale. Here's one example. This will make everything very clear. So again, in example of joggers, the hook: relate to your customer's pain, right? Don't you hate it when your joggers keep slipping down during your workouts? Don't you hate it when your joggers show your butt during squats? Don't you hate it? Oh, it has to be hated. When your joggers do not feel very comfy. So the story: position yourself going through the pains, and how you don't have any pains with your product. Basically, in your story, in your hook, fi- like, basically handle all of the pains and problems that your market is facing, and then in your own story, handle all those pains, objections, problems, difficulties by coming across as a person that basically was having problems with these things, and now all of a sudden, by using your product X, all the pain has been eliminated, and it's like just a state of desire, right? And then finally, you make up with that great offer that you come up with, a no-brainer sale, right? So that's pretty much it. Hook, story, offer, these are the three key elements that you need to have in place in order to make any sale. The more you get these things to the T, the better your sales and acquisition cost is going to be. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comments, and do let me know what are the videos that you guys want for the next. And that's pretty much it. See ya, have a great day, bye.